Hi, I'm Al Moskowski with Local 219, and I am here with Andrea from Rolling Stonebaker. Andrea, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
So the reason why I decided to do this in particular was because A, Andrea's amazing, and B, is that I always wanted to start at a food truck called Munchies, and Andrea helped me really bring that vision to completion. Andrea, what does this pizza really look like?
Okay, so what we did was take some pickled peppadew peppers and we blended them into a garlic aioli. So that's the base, because you kind of want that richness at the bottom. Put some caramelized shallots in here. We did that in the wood-fired oven. Fresh mozzarella. We baked that off. And then to satisfy your munchy craving, we took some chicken thighs and breaded them with spicy jalapeno Cheetos.
So I told her, I tried to give her some explanation that like I'm a savory person. I'm not really a sweet guy. I'm Polish, Moskowski, that's a real thing. And so she really helped me kind of bring this together. This will be available between February 15th and the 28th. All right, so I'm gonna try this. This is the first time ever. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is a lot of fun. This is super good, by the way.
Are you being serious?
No, I'm
Okay.
being serious.
Okay, good.